Hola, bienvenidos al programa de español en línea. Yo soy el profesor Gilberto García and during this video we will review about pronouns as a grammar concept. So in order to start, what is it? What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that we are going to use to substitute a noun. Okay? Una palabra que sustituye a un sustantivo. In Spanish, we can have a lot of different types of pronouns. We can talk about the personales, the personal pronouns, the pronouns for direct objects and indirect objects, and also for the reflexives. Let's focus on pronombres personales. So, we have two classifications for these. We have the singular ones, which is the singulares, the first person, second person, and third person. As you can see, tenemos the pronouns in Spanish, and then in parentheses you can find the pronouns in English. The first one is, the first person is yo, and then second person we can use tú. Usually tú is for informal settings. In Spanish, we can have also usted, which is for formal settings. Then the third person, which is ella o él. Then we can have the plurals, okay? Los pronombres personales plurales. And we can have the first person of the plural is going to be nosotros. Second person is going to be ustedes. And then third person is going to be ellos y ellas, depending on the gender. Let's see some examples. Por ejemplo, for singulars, we have a sentence here. Gilberto es alto. As you remember, Gilberto is going to be the noun in this sentence. So, in order to substitute this noun, we are going to use the pronoun, which is él, third person singular. Él es alto. Let's see an example for plurals. And we have this sentence. Los estudiantes son muy divertidos. Okay? In this case, the noun is going to be los estudiantes. And these two words, we are going to substitute these two words using the third person plural, which is going to be ellos. Okay? Ellos son muy divertidos. Why? Why all of these pronouns are so important? Okay? So, the pronouns, the personal pronouns are very important because we are going to use it to conjugate the verbs, okay? So, we have here all the pronouns, yo, tú, él, nosotros, ustedes, y ellos, which are all the pronouns that we are going to use to conjugate. And then we just need to select a verb and then the tense on this verb. In this case, we are going to use my favorite verb, which is comer. And we are going to conjugate this verb in the present. Yo como, tú comes, él come, nosotros comemos, ustedes comen, y ellos comen. One difference between English and Spanish is in English, you need to have the pronoun there explicitly. But in Spanish, because we need the personal pronouns to conjugate the verb, we can have como, just the verb, because it's already conjugate using a pronoun. We can say yo como una hamburguesa, for example, or we can say como una hamburguesa, and both are correct. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos en el siguiente video.